Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Bhuna chicken fry. It is a delicious Indian dish known for its rich and flavorful taste. Let's start the recipe. Take half kg of chicken, add half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the masala powder. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half tablespoon of black pepper, now add 4 pods of cardamom, 3 cloves and half tablespoon of cumin. Dry roast for 2 minutes on low heat. Now let the spices cool completely. Grind into fine powder. In a vessel, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add marinated chicken and cook it well. Close and cook on medium heat. Now chicken is cooked perfectly. Now in a vessel add 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 red chilies. Saute it for 1 minute on low heat. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute until onion turns light brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for 2 minutes on low heat. You can find more chicken recipes in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Saute it for 3 minutes on low heat. Now add cooked chicken. Saute it for 1 minute on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and grinded masala powder. Adjust red chili powder and spices as per your taste. Saute for 3 minutes on low heat. Add 3 tablespoons of curd and saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Enjoying what you just saw? If so, consider subscribing and becoming a part of our Shalini Foods family. We'd love to have you on board. Close and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Share your preferred recipes by commenting below. Give the recipe a try and kindly share your feedback in the comments. Finally, add coriander. Very tasty and delicious Bhuna chicken fry is ready. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.